A now two-time NBA champion washes dishes for less than $10 an hour in Montreal before making the NBA, and that's just the beginning. He only started playing basketball when he was 18, dropped out of high school at 16, and the only reason he was discovered was because one of his friends forced him to join a tournament during the weekend. When one scout saw what he could do, Chris Boucher's life changed forever. He'd work his way up playing for New Mexico Junior College to Oregon, and despite never getting his name called in the draft, Boucher just finished his 6th season with the Raptors and is one of their core players for the future.